Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to delete Salesforce SFDX credentials. There are several ways, but in this video, we are going to see the easiest way. If you are using Windows OS, then open Run app and then use this command percentage user profile percentage dot sfdx. So if your username is something in your PC, then it will open that user profiles .sfdx file. So if you run this command, it will open the .sfdx file, and then you should be able to delete it from your Windows OS machine. Let's say if you are using Linux or Mac OS, in that case you can right click the finder in your Mac OS, for example, and then you can select go to folder. Once you select go to folder, you should be able to type or search something there. So use this command there, and then you will see the .sfdx file. Select that file, and then you can delete the ones. So it will be like this. It will have all the credentials. You can select the credential which you do not want to use it in your VS Code or with your SFDX CLI. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. Using the blog post, you should be able to get the commands which was discussed in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.